There are four things that you should look for in an online school. The first is method of teaching. Is it Blackboard teaching or is it activity based learning? This is very important because Blackboard teaching is not an effective way of learning. It doesn't work in an online medium. Most online schools teach using PPT and Whiteboard. Children do not understand when a teacher gets online and starts explaining. Moreover, children should not stare at the screen for long durations. Children need to do activities and construct knowledge on their own. The teacher is just supposed to facilitate their learning. Thus, activity based learning is the only method that works with children in an online medium. The second important aspect is the organization that runs the online school. What is their experience in teaching learning? Track their body of knowledge. Check social media to know about their work in the last 5 to 10 years. Don't go for a new company that just started in the pandemic. It could be a fly by night operation. Your child needs to go to the school for several years. It is a decision having long term consequence. Don't take any decision on impulse. Study the details of the organization. The third important aspect that you should look for is the curriculum and how they are teaching the curriculum. What are the books, learning apps, and learning aids that they are providing? How are they completing the curriculum? Are they going in depth of each topic or are they just scraping through? In India, an online school can provide your child a matriculation certificate from National Institute of Open School, the NIOS. This government board is valid everywhere, so this should not be your area of concern. How the online school is completing the curriculum is important. So dive deep and study it in detail. The fourth important aspect is the faculty. You should try and find out what kind of teachers will be teaching your child. What are their educational qualifications and experience? Ask for the teacher's details from the school. If the organization is not ready to provide the details, then that is not the place for your child. This is important as a good teacher. Following the right method of teaching can only guide and unleash your child's full potential. Hope this video was useful to you. In case you want any more information, please write to us at letters@vikalpindia.com.